Konnichiwa, kimono wearers. We're off on a half-day tour to see the snow monkeys today. Previously there's been a public bus you could take from Nozawa Onsen to the Jikoku-Dani Snow Monkey Park, but not this year. So if you ain't got your own transport, you'll have to join a tour at 6,500 yen. From the car park it's up a few stairs, then a flat 1.6k walk to the snow monkeys. And this is what you get to see at the end of the walk, so remind your kids of that if they start complaining they're tired or cold. But back to the walk, it's a damn nice walk through a snow-covered pine forest, like a Norska ad from the 80s. It can be slippery in parts, saw one guy, maybe late teens, go down. Unfortunately not into fluffy white snow, he went into a muddy section. It was kind of funny. I think that's known as Schadenfreude. It's only 800 yen for park entry if you have your own transport. That's a bargain. But even doing the tour at 6,500 yen is worth it. A little before the monkey spa bath, you'll start spotting monkeys. They're happy passing close by to us humans, and they have no interest in bothering us. That's the benefit of not feeding them. Some of those macaques in parts of Southeast Asia are friggin' annoying in comparison. And then you come to the monkey spa bath. It's quite an amazing sight, while at the same time being somewhat hilarious. Seeing these monkeys sitting in an onsen. I guess we do it, so why not them? Big monkeys gathering around to look at smaller monkeys. That's also kinda hilarious. It's no great surprise that they are all very relaxed and content here. Not much going on, just staying warm in an onsen. If only they could speak. Hello, we're bathing here. I don't take videos of you naked in the shower. Now piss off, will ya? Just like us, all they're missing is a cocktail and a floating tray of snacks. This little one has a pool toy of sorts, Branch. His little mate looks a bit jealous, waiting for his turn. Monkey onsen talk. Someone pass me another peanut, and whoever took a dump in here needs to leave now. Oh jeez, there's always one monkey. How many times do we have to tell you? No drinking the onsen water. If you've sat in an onsen, you know how good the monkeys are feeling right now. It's bliss for them. Absolute bliss. How content does that monkey look on the left? He or she is in heaven. Depending on how fast you walk, you'll get an hour and a half, 2 hours to view the monkeys. But once you've seen one monkey bathing, you've pretty much seen them all. So once you're done, enjoy a leisurely stroll back to the car park. I'll admit, that was a pretty amazing sight. It would look super special with big snowflakes falling. Anyway, arigatou gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.